Hi there, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe, and in this quick crochet lesson I will show you how to fasten off your closed crochet project. This is really helpful if you're crocheting amigurumi or cuddly toys or anything that's worked in rounds, closed and stuffed really. So let's start by breaking our yarn. Leave a long enough end to fasten off and sew it in. And then we just pull it through. So we finished crocheting our amigurumi, or a closed part of our amigurumi, and now all that's left to do is close this small gap in the middle of our last round. So we just thread our end onto a tapestry needle, and then we insert it in the front loop of the next stitch, or the first stitch of the round. Just pull the end through, and then we will repeat this with the front loop of the next stitch. That's 2, so my last round has 6 stitches, so I repeat this with all 6 front loops of the last round. That's 4, 5, and the last one, 6, and then I just pull the end tight, and now I find the middle of my last round and insert my needle there to stitch through. Just to pull it inwards again, so at the end looks nice and even. In some cases your pattern might tell you exactly where to stitch through. For example, for my tiny apple pattern, I stitch exactly through the middle, so my needle comes out here in the middle of the magic ring, just because I want to shape a small dent here. But in this case I just need it to be nice and even, so that's it. Just from here I start sewing in my end. And that's all done. Our project is fastened off and completely closed. I hope you found this little lesson helpful. If you did, feel free to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any weekly crochet lessons like this one or free pattern video tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating!